This video is on sigma. This is a Greek letter that occurs in mathematical expressions, and it means to add the indicated terms. Let's take a look at a very basic example to see how this is used. There are three parts to sigma that you need to pay attention to. The number at the bottom and the number at the top are the two terms in which you're going to start with the expression and end with the expression. This here on the right is the expression that you're going to insert your terms into. So you have term 1 plus term 2 plus term 3 plus term 4. For this example, the terms are very simple. Here's our first term, here's our last term, and we're adding the two terms in between. Therefore, the sum of these terms would be 10. Let's look at another example. Again, we're starting with the first term, and then we're ending with term number 5. Here is our expression. As you can see, I've put my expression in 5 different times and then inserted each term into that expression. So term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, and term 5. At this point, I just need to simplify my expression to find out the total sum. And that sum would be 25. Looking at one final example, this one we're changing up a little bit. Instead of starting with term 1, we're going to start with term 3 this time and end with term 7. This is our expression we're going to use. Notice I've started with a 3 because that's going to be the first term we're using, and then I'm ending with 7, it being the last term we're using. Of course, for each of these expressions, I'm using my base expression, so to speak, to fill in that information. Then the final few steps is just to simplify our expression here. So 6 and 14 give me 20, 8 and 12 give me 20, so that's 40, and then plus 10 more is 50. So for this particular problem, the solution will be 50. Just to review a few things to remember, this is sigma. The number on the bottom is going to tell you which term to start with. The number at the top is going to tell you which term to end with. And the expression on the side will tell you the expression to use. You'll add up all the expressions in between the first term and the last term.